Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning here. I'm downtown Angeles City. Let me show you where I'm at. There's New Point Mall. I just seen that camera up there moving. Here's where we're at. Here's where we're gonna walk around. There's the Nipo Mall. So you got New Point Mall and Nipo Mall. It's the area we're gonna walk around. I haven't walked in this area for a while. I think last time I was up here was probably right around, Christmas time? So it's been a few months since I've been up here. I usually up around the center of the circle area, but today we're gonna walk around a different area. Boy, is it a beautiful morning. This afternoon it will definitely get hot, and that's been heating up. That right there is another type of mall. That blue-white mall, blue-white looking building. People, parking lot's empty. Usually on a Sunday, a lot of people get out, get to the mall, and get in the air conditioning. I'm not going to head into the mall. Yeah, it's open. No line. I don't know how true it is. I only heard somebody say it, but the SM Mall, you no longer need to show proof of vaccination. Level 1, whatever level 1, whatever level 1 is, and all the restrictions that are or not restrictions. I don't know. I don't bother to look. All I know is until we can throw these masks away, we're still reminded, right? Hello. Morning. This is supermarket genre. There's Starbucks here on the left. I don't know if that's new or I just have never seen it. Kind of looks new. Parking lot looks fresh. All right, Starbucks in there. Now this here back here, I know I've come back in here, but this Tamale Restaurant, this building, Tamale Restaurant building, is one of the oldest buildings here in Angeles City. It's a restaurant. I have never come up here. I've never eaten in here. Well, I've come up here, but just never eaten here. But they say this is one of the oldest buildings in Angeles City here. And you can tell it's old by looking at it. But no, I've never ate in there. Door's open. A lot of times I come up here and the door's not open. Pretty neat in here. I just asked the woman how old it is and she didn't know. She just kind of just works in here. But it's a pizza restaurant. It's just neat. I'm sure I could do some research on it, find out more as far as the history on it. But this is the first time I was ever in here. You know, is it the original structure or did they kind of do their own thing to it? There's a lot of articles on the wall here. Washroom. But yeah, really neat inside. That's cool. Rather interesting. Thank you. Old pots under there. Oh, they appear to be old pots, right? Some old pictures. All right, out we go again. Now we're coming up on the Holy Rosary Parish.
Hello, sir.
Good morning. Here's the church on the right. You see they still got, last time I was up here they were doing construction here. Holy Rosary, it's an old church. If I'm not mistaken, during the war, a plane crashed into the bell tower. So there's a lot of history behind this church. I'm not going to go in there. I've been in there. It is neat. It is cool. But because it is Sunday and maybe they have services going on in there. I mean, there's another National Historical Commission, 1812, I see 1829, 1899, 1962, 1942. Yeah, they might have mass going on. The old cobblestone here. That building over there, that's another historical building. They say there's a museum in there, but every time I've gone to try to check out the museum, hey, it's always closed. All right, we are at the Holy Angels University.
Hi, sir.
Do you go to college here? Do you go to college here? No?
Sir, no. We're senior high school. Sir.
Oh, you're still in high school. Are you going to go to college here?
Soon, sir. Yes, sir. Soon.
That's your plan? What grade are you in?
11, sir.
11?
Yes.
Okay. What about you?
I'm grade 10, sir.
Grade 10?
Grade 11.
Grade 11? Grade 11?
Grade 10, sir.
Grade 10? 10. How about you? Grade 10. All right. So you want to go to college here?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, eventually, huh? All right, good.
Yes, sir.
All right, study hard. Study hard. What's your dream? What do you want to become?
I want to become a trader, sir. Crypto trader.
A what? Crypto trader?
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. How about you? What do you want to become? Huh?
Flight attendant,
Flight attendant. For which flight? Which airline?
Philippine Airlines.
Philippine Airline. How about you? What do you want to do?
I want to become a human, sir.
A human?
Yes, right now I'm hybrid.
You're halfway there, right?
Yes.
How about you? What do you want to do?
Seaman.
Do what?
Seaman.
Seaman. All right, good deal. How about you? Bodybuilder.
No, sir.
What? A boxer. A boxer. All right. Future Manny Pacquiao. All right. All right, guys. Stay in school. All right. Shout out.
Shout out kay Bri, happy birthday.
Shout out to me, happy birthday.
All right. Remember, so they're going to somebody's birthday. That's why he has the flowers.
Yes, sir.
Where'd you get them? Up here? You buy them up here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. They're very nice.
For 500 pesos.
500.
Yes.
Maybe I should get my wife some flowers, huh?
Yes, sir.
That'd be a good idea, right?
Romantic.
All right. All right, guys. It's the old newsstand. Morning. The old newsstand. I'm on the other side of the road. There's a church from the other side of the road here. I'm going to walk down this one street here on the right. So I've never walked down this one street on the right. There's a famous Angeles selfie station landmark there. At night that's lit up. This whole area right here is lit up. There's a little court. Sometimes they have food vendors set up in here. That is the Angeles City Library, an information center. I'm going to walk down this road here. Looks pretty neat. Little seating benches here. This is all lit up at night. As you can see, the lanterns, the lights. A little coffee right there. Metro Bean Coffee Bistro. Spice District. Pound for pound fitness up there. It's nice just to see people out and about. Morning. Capper's Store. C-A-P-R-I. Store. Uka, I think. These are just homes here. Rentals. Back in there's rentals. Talk about tight living, right? Mello's Place. Pork chicken. There's a sidewalk. Maybe people are parking on it. There's a house for rent. For inquiries, telephone number. Kind of looks like a freshly poured concrete walkway through here. And this is this road I cut through. I come down here, come down this road here and work my way around and go back to the circle. But that's a neat old building, neat old looking building. It's kind of walking a square, that's all. All right. Potato Corner. What it says over there. See, now that's an old Spanish style looking house right there, or Spanish style looking building. All right, guys, I'm at the flower place right now. Buying me some flowers. Right across the street here from the Holy Rosary. Lit tells me, you know, you're never romantic. So I figure, you know what, let me get some flowers. A bundle of flowers, $5 or 500 pesos. That's like 10 bucks, you know. Here's their prices right here. Thank you. Here are their prices right here. Where do the flowers come from? What area do the flowers come from? Baguio. Oh, okay. So they all come down from Baguio. Okay. There's a lot comes down here in this city from Baguio. Here you got the roses, sunflowers. But yeah, it's this is the place if you want flowers. They have a lot of them here. They're not what calls it plastic love. If I get her plastic flowers, she would call it plastic love. So, all right, guys, I'm just gonna wrap this one up. It's been another nice walk up here in the city. Somewhere different. It's great meeting those kids. I mean, the teenagers. They all have hopes. They all have dreams. And good for them. You need that as a kid. Well, not even as a kid. As anything in life, you have to have hopes. You have to have dreams. You know, there's a lot of people that have hopes and dreams to come over to the Philippines and retire in the Philippines. Keep following that dream. You know, it might seem difficult right now. Might seem difficult. Something that might be hard to achieve, but if that is what you want to do, and that is your dream, and that is your goal, just follow it. You know, I followed my goal. I followed my dream of living in the Philippines, along with a lot of other foreigners here. So don't give up. Don't give up hope. Follow it. Follow it. So, all right, guys. With that being said, I'm going to wrap this one up, and we will talk to you later.